Hi, this is Kanhaiya Kumar, and today we are discussing about Power BI data modeling. Power BI is a reporting tool which allows you to connect multiple tables from various sources and relationships created to model the data as per needs. Power BI can connect to multiple sources like various database like Oracle, MySQL, uh, MongoDB, many databases. Almost more than 50 databases can connect, and even SharePoint as well as Excel, Microsoft Access tables can be connected to Power BI, and based upon those tables, you can create a relationship as per your needs. Various custom calculations can be also created to explore the various segments of the data, and these measures are used in visualizations for modeling. Managing data relationship. Power BI allows you to set the relationship between tables or elements for diagrammatic view of data. Have a look into relationship view. You can see here we have different tables, and by this line you can see that it's connected to each other. So it is called relationship. And here you have three options. First option is a report view, second option is data view, and third option is relationship view. It's easy to view the tables and its columns and lines between them to see the relationship, as you can see. To remove a relationship, right click on a line and just click on delete. So it will be deleted. And again, to hide a table or column, just right click and you can see here hide in report view. It will be hidden. Again, you have option for delete, rename the column. Detailed view of data relationship, select manage relationship under home tab. So you can find edit relationship and you can edit relationship as per your convenience. So you can change these column names, even create new measures. And here you have option cardinality 1 to 1, even many to many is there. And you have by default all these things based upon your table, automatic it will detect the relationship and even cardinality and cross filter directions as well. Relationship in many to many cardinalities allows to join the tables. So cardinality is nothing but joining the table, many to many, one to one, one to many. Next is calculated columns. Calculated columns in Power BI can be created by adding two or more elements of existing data. It also allows to apply calculation on existing column for new metric or add two columns to create a new column. So let's see here we have created some new column which is product underscore C. It is also possible to create calculated column to establish relationship between tables and also used to set up relationship between two tables. Below is created a column using DAX. DAX is a data analysis expression. It's a language, formula language, which is used in various other applications as well, like Excel, as well as SS, AS, SSRS, etc. And you can see here we need to just create select new column. If you click on modeling, under that you will find all these three things: new measure, new column, new table. So you need to click when you are creating a new column, then you need to click on new column, and then you will get this new column here in red, sorry, yellow color. Again, you can see here we have used the formula to create new column. So basically, after inserting new column, you need to have column name as well as values what you want to have this values in the particular column. So here product underscore C is our column name, and we have used the right formula to based upon this product ID we are creating product underscore C. So you can see right, and we are referring pop table of product ID, and last right from right it should uh, from right side it should extract three values. So you can see here we have four values in product ID, and we have extracted three values, that is 126, and like that for all the values. Below image shows many formulas which can be used for creating calculated columns. So here we have various formulas to create the columns based upon existing data, or something new also can be added. Creating calculated tables. Again, we have option here new table. To create calculated table for data modeling in Power BI, click on new table under modeling tab. You can see here we have new table, and DAX is used to create a new table, and below is created a new table which could be found in field span of model as well. You can see here we have created table underscore custom which has one column product underscore ID. And this is separate table underscore custom, and we have used here distinct, and this table is created based upon product ID of pop table. In above example of creating a new table using DAX, it returns one column table with unique values in column in another table. Diagrammatic view shows new created table underscore cust, and same could be observed in field sections too. When new column and table created as per requirements can be used in the report tab in Power BI to see the report. So simply you can see when you click on report tab, you can see that your calculated columns are there. Exploring time-based data. Using Power BI to explore and analyze time-based data is quite easy, and drill through visualization to get interactive reports. Below is time-based data which is being imported to Power. So this is the data which we have imported. That is having a ID, year, quarter, revenue, and after importing the data, it takes next level by default. So this is the beauty of Power BI. You can see after importing the data, by default it's taken to the next level. You can see by under report view. And so we can create even chart based upon the data which we have imported. You can see we have created a waterfall chart, and this is, you can read it by revenue and year, by ID and quarter. You can see that. Again, we have created funnel chart, and that is revenue and year by quarter. You can see that. So quarter wise we have revenue. So that's all. Thank you very much.